Okay, when you're done with Reptology, move to the second layer. Here we have the green barrel. Select every element and do smooth shading. Looking ahead, I will show how the barrel will look like. Yeah, it is smooth, but looks not that good. Inclusive and unnatural. So in order to increase a realistic look, we will choose certain edges in order to make more sharpness, and our picture will look like this. Here we can see the sharpness of the edges, and the shadow falls as it should to be. In general, everything here is picturesque and interesting. Okay, what we're doing right now, selecting certain edges, and yeah, I've used here matte cap for the beauty and ambient occlusion for increasing this wonderful visual effect. So select the edges and press mark sharp. We shouldn't get transformations like this. And yeah, I forgot transformation wouldn't be if you, not me, didn't apply edge split modifier. I place mark opposite only to sharp edges, which means that the effect will affect only for selected edges. But in general, the designation technology of sharp edges look like hard edges. But it's like low poly version. So designates the edges which create sharp, straight corners. And the second criterion is shape shifting. That is the edges that change in the object shape too much. Also, check the shadows. They should fall in the right way. For example, in this picture, there is no telling where they went. You might think that